Tones. In this video, we're going to learn everything about tones. So why do Chinese language need tones? Look at this group of Pinyin. They spell exactly the same, but they mean totally different things. Let's have a look. Ma means mother. Ma means hemp. Ma means horse. Ma means to curse and blame someone. Now you see why do we need tones, right? To tell the different meanings. Okay, so tones are very important. Let's learn how to pronounce them. It will really be helpful if you are really good at music. So when you sing do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, that is our first tone. It is very high and flat. So listen to it. So, ma, ma. The second tone is from the mid to high. So start a little bit slower and rising up to the top. Ma, ma. The third tone, start really low and had a little bit twist and then rising up high. Ma, ma. When you pronounce this sound, you feel like you're nodding your head. Okay? The last one is a falling tone, fourth tone. It is a very sharp tone. It goes all the way from the top to the bottom. Ma, ma. You might think it's still a little bit hard for you, so I give you another tip. Here are some English expressions, and they sound really similar to the 4 different Chinese tones. The first one, you singing. Oh, oh, that is the first tone. Ma, ma. The second one is like a question. What? What? The rising question. Ma, ma. The third one is well, well. Ma, ma. The last one is a very strong no sound. No. Ma, ma. Hopefully this will help you. So let's practice with this group. The first pinyin, dad, is the fourth tone. No. Ba, ba. The second one is mom. It's the first tone. Ah, ma, ma. The third one, son, is a rising up tone. What? R. The last one, daughter, is the well tone. Okay, well. 女, 女. Very good. So, most people think there are only 4 tones in Chinese language, which is not true. We have the 5th tone. It's called neutral tone. So what is neutral tone? First of all, it is unmarked. Unlike the other 4 tones, there are tone marks. Neutral tone doesn't need to have a tone mark. Secondly, the neutral tone the sound is very light and very short. So let's practice the group of the pinyin listed below. Ba, 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 ba. The second sound is a neutral tone, right? Mama, mama. 儿子，儿子，女儿，女儿. You can hear it is really short and light. So, let's talking about how to spell the tone marks. Where do you put the tone marks? On top of the finals, like the a, o, i, u, ü, those kind of sounds. So have a look. Ba, ma, nu. It places on the finals. So you might ask, what happens if there are combined finals, like the compound finals we learned before? Easy. Put on the top of the strongest final sound. What does it mean by strongest? It depends how big your mouth opens up when you pronounce the sound. So If we define like that, A would be the strongest sound, right? And E would be the least strong sound. So I will pronounce it, follow the order. A, O, U, U, E. Pronounce it by yourself. You will feel the mouth shape is getting smaller and smaller. So, look at this group. 豹, 眉, 扭. Follow this order. You can see the tone marks places on the strongest final sound. Okay, so that's it about the tones. The most important thing is we have to keep practicing it. So, in the next videos, we're going to talk about how to write Chinese characters.